Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how you can swap your Shiba Inu to Ethereum in Trust Wallet. It's quite easy to get this done. Make sure you've enabled the Ethereum token on your Trust Wallet. To do this, use the Manage Crypto tab at the top right corner of the screen. Once you've clicked on this, make sure the Ethereum in question is enabled. Once you've enabled the Ethereum, you could also confirm your Shiba, that's the Shiba Inu on the Ethereum network. Make sure this Shiba Inu is confirmed, it's enabled. And please, before you can perform this swap, you're going to need some Ethereum. So make sure you have some Ether on your wallets. Make sure you have Ethereum. And with your available Ethereum, simply search for Shiba Inu or the Shiba token. Once you found the Shiba Inu token, click on the swap icon, and automatically it's set to swap your Shiba Inu directly to Ethereum, but you must have Ethereum for this transaction to be completed. Once you've clicked on the approve icon that's shown, the Shiba Inu would be approved for swapping, and you could successfully swap your Shiba Inu into the Ethereum. And the amount of Ethereum you'd use for the swap depends on the amount of SHIB you wish to swap. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.